Hi, hi Queens. Nice to have everyone here. Nice to have you watch this video. So today we'll be starting from the basic opening an HTML file. How to open an HTML file, and we'll be using VS Code as our text editor. Okay, so we'll start by we're going to right click and we are going to create a folder first. So you can name the folder any name you want. So we're naming our folder ladies code. So we're going to create a folder. Okay, so we're going to name our folder ladies underscore code. Okay, so we have our folder here. Okay, ladies underscore code. So we are going to open Visual Studio Code. So I'm sure at this side we have Visual Studio Code already installed on our system, which is our text editor we'll be using. So we are going to open up Visual Studio Code. Okay, nice. So we have it open up on our system. Okay, so this is the page. Go to open folder. So when you click on open folder, it's going to pop up a new windows which would ask you to select the folder you want to open. Mind you, we created a folder in or on our desktop, so we're going to navigate to our desktop to open our folder. Okay, so our windows is opening already, so we're going to open our folder from the desktop. Okay, so we're going to navigate to our desktop now. Okay, so when we go to desktop, we're going to see ladies underscore code. So we click on it and we select the folder. So immediately you do that, VS Code is going to pick that okay, you want to open a file on this folder. So immediately pops up a window that says welcome. So we can see ladies underscore code here. Okay, so now we are going to create a file under this. So very easy way to create a file, an HTML file in any folder you open. So we're going to go to this sign where we says new file. So we're going to click on new file, and what we want to name it, let's say we want to name it index. Mind you, if it's an HTML file, it has to be .html. So we can find that it has changed automatically to this sign. So when you click on enter, it creates the file and pops it up on the screen that okay, this is what you want to create, index.html. So while that is still processing, you can also try that on your system and see that voila, it works out perfectly. So that's how to open an HTML file. So this is what we'll be doing for beginners, how to open an HTML file. It's nothing difficult. You can also do it another way. Okay, while our file is still creating, that's because of our VS Code and the system processing. Okay, so while we're still creating, we can actually check out the second way if you don't have to open VS Code. Yeah, so we can right click actually on the folder, so we can see ladies underscore code. You can right click. Okay, so you right click is going to give you options that you see open with code. So you can also choose this option to open the folder with code. It will also open this particular page for you. So we have index.html. So anything we put in here, actually brings it up when we say so. This is actually our HTML file. Okay, so thank you. Watch out for the next video, which we are going to have actually we're working on our headers h1, h2, h3 to differentiate and actually creating a title and the body. Thank you.